We've rounded up 30 of the best early Black Friday deals you can grab right now on Amazon. These limited time offers are going fast, so let's jump straight into the hottest discounts of the season. Our first deal features the Apple Watch SE, now 36% off, priced at $160, down from $249. This smartwatch keeps you active and connected with fitness tracking, heart and safety alerts, water resistance, and seamless integration with your iPhone, all in a sleek, customizable design that's both stylish and powerful. Our second deal features the Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro tablet, now 45% off, priced at $105, down from $190. This kid-friendly tablet offers powerful performance with a vibrant HD display, 10-hour battery life, robust parental controls, and a full year of ad-free Amazon Kids Plus content, all protected by a durable kid-proof case and a 2-year worry-free guarantee. Our third deal features the Apple Watch Series 10, now 30% off, priced at $280, down from $399. This advanced smartwatch delivers a larger display, sleek lightweight design, powerful health tracking with ECG and sleep insights, and essential safety tools like fall and crash detection, all while staying fast, durable, and beautifully connected to your iPhone. Our fourth deal features the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, now 25% off, priced at $899, down from $1,199. This powerhouse smartphone combines the new Google Tensor G5 chip with stunning 8K video, a 100x ProRes zoom camera, and the brilliance of Gemini AI, all wrapped in a sleek, durable aluminum and Gorilla Glass design built for pro-level performance. Our fifth deal features the Amazon Echo Spot, now 31% off, priced at $55, down from $80. This sleek smart alarm clock with Alexa offers rich, vibrant sound, a customizable display, smart home control, and privacy-focused design, all in a stylish bedside device that helps you wake up, unwind, and stay connected effortlessly. Our sixth deal features the Amazon Fire TV 40 inches, now 32% off, priced at $170, down from $250. This HD smart TV delivers vibrant 1080p visuals with HDR support, Dolby Digital Audio, built-in Fire TV for seamless streaming, and hands-free Alexa control, all designed to bring your favorite shows, games, and music together in one smart entertainment hub. Our seventh deal features the Google Nest camera with floodlight, now 32% off, priced at $190, down from $280. This smart security camera delivers crisp 1080p HDR video with night vision, intelligent alerts that distinguish people and vehicles, built-in floodlights for instant illumination, and seamless control through the Google Home app for total peace of mind. Our eighth deal features the Google TV Streamer 4K, now 25% off, priced at $75, down from $100. This powerful streaming device delivers stunning 4K HDR with Dolby Vision, faster performance with expanded storage, over 800 free live channels, and a voice remote that makes finding shows, apps, and smart home controls effortless. Our ninth deal features the Amazon Fire TV 55 inches, now 26% off, priced at $340, down from $460. This 4K Ultra HD Smart TV delivers brilliant HDR10 visuals, powerful Dolby Digital Plus sound, seamless Alexa voice control, and access to over 1 million movies and shows, all wrapped in a sleek ultra slim design built for immersive entertainment. Our 10th deal features the Google Pixel Buds Pro 2, now 26% off, priced at $169, down from $229. These AI-powered earbuds deliver immersive sound with the Tensor A1 chip, powerful noise cancellation, crystal clear bass, and a secure all-day fit, plus smart features like conversation detection and customizable comfort for any activity. Our 11th deal features the Google Pixel 9, now 38% off, priced at $499, down from $799. This AI-powered smartphone combines the brilliance of the Gemini Assistant with a stunning 50-megapixel main camera, advanced editing tools like Magic Editor, and a sleek design built for fast performance and pro-level creativity. Our 12th deal features the Google Pixel Watch 3, now 33% off, priced at $200, down from $300. This powerful smartwatch delivers advanced Fitbit fitness tracking, a brighter and larger display, personalized AI-driven workout insights, and detailed readiness metrics that help you train smarter and recover better every day. Our 13th deal features the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold, now 16% off, priced at $1,619, down from $1,919. This cutting-edge foldable phone combines Pixel's largest 8-inch Super Actua Flex display, the powerful Tensor G5 chip, and Gemini AI for seamless multitasking, stunning photography, and durable design built to last for years of folding and creativity. Our 14th deal features this portable carpet deep cleaner, now 11% off, priced at $85, down from $95. This compact powerhouse removes deep stains and odors from carpets, upholstery, and car interiors, featuring strong suction, a self-cleaning hose, and Bizzle's trusted pet-friendly formula for a cleaner, fresher home. Our 15th deal features the Ninja Foodi Possible Cooker 8-in-1, now 41% off, priced at $100, down from $170. This versatile cooker replaces over a dozen kitchen tools with 8 powerful functions, letting you sear, steam, bake, and slow cook in one pot, all with rapid triple fusion heat and a large capacity perfect for family meals or gatherings. Our 16th deal features the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, now 50% off, priced at $300, down from $599. This smart vacuum delivers powerful suction with precision matrix clean, a self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of debris, 360-degree LiDAR mapping for efficient coverage, and a self-cleaning brush roll ideal for homes with pets. Our 17th deal features the Fitbit Inspire 3, now 30% off, priced at $70, down from $100. This sleek fitness tracker helps you move, stress less, and sleep better with 24/7 heart rate monitoring, daily readiness and stress scores, automatic sleep tracking, and up to 10 days of battery life in a lightweight water-resistant design. Deal number 18 features the Eufy C10 Robot Vacuum, now 58% off at $200, down from $480. It delivers 4,000 Pascal of suction with a unique corner-over arm for deep edge cleaning, a self-emptying base that lasts up to 60 days, precise laser navigation, and a slim 2.85-inch design that reaches under furniture with ease. Deal number 19 highlights the Crock-Pot 7-quart slow cooker, now 40% off at $36, down from $60. It offers generous capacity for large meals, simple high and low cooking settings with a warm function, a removable dishwasher-safe stoneware insert, and a sleek stainless steel design for easy, healthy home cooking. Deal number 20 features the electric snowblower, now 14% off at $2,070, down from $2,420. It clears snow up to 60 feet using dual Ego ARC lithium batteries, boasts a 28-inch clearing width, self-propelled steering, heated handles, and a joystick-controlled chute for powerful, effortless winter performance. Our 21st deal features this portable electric space heater, now 23% off, priced at $26, down from $33. This compact yet powerful heater offers dual heat settings and a cool fan mode, fast ceramic heating for instant warmth, built-in safety with tip-over and overheat protection, and whisper-quiet performance ideal for bedrooms or offices. Our 22nd deal features the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus, now 47% off, priced at $80, down from $150. It delivers head-to-toe HD plus video with color night vision, motion and package alerts, quick-release battery power, and seamless setup through the Ring app with Alexa voice control integration. Our 23rd deal features the Ninja Plus kitchen system, now 32% off, priced at $150, down from $220. This powerful 1400-watt blender and food processor combo crushes ice with ease, offers Auto IQ one-touch programs for smoothies and dough, includes an 8-cup processor bowl, and comes with 2 to-go cups for quick nutrient-packed drinks. Our 24th deal features the Tagri True Wireless Earbuds, now 35% off, priced at $26, down from $40. They offer up to 60 hours of total playback with a dual LED power display, feature wireless charging, and IPX5 waterproof protection, and deliver immersive stereo sound with noise reduction and easy touch controls for music and calls. Our 25th deal features the Lenovo laptop for business and home, now 26% off, priced at $479, down from $650. It's built for everyday performance with a 15.6-inch Full HD display, Intel Celeron processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD, all wrapped in a sleek, lightweight design with Wi-Fi 6 connectivity and Dolby audio speakers for a smooth, reliable experience. Our 26th deal features the GeForce RTX 5070 12GB, now 21% off, priced at $585, down from $740. Powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture with DLSS 4, it delivers cutting-edge graphics performance, advanced cooling with triple axial tech fans, military-grade durability, and intuitive performance tuning through ASUS GPU Tweak 3 software. Our 27th deal features the EcoFlow Portable Power Station, now 33% off, priced at $799, down from $1,199. It charges from 0 to 80% in just over an hour, powers 99% of appliances with its 3,400 watt X-Boost mode, offers ultra-quiet operation with rapid 10 millisecond transfer time, and includes smart app control with a durable 10-year LiFePO4 battery design. Our 28th deal features the GeForce RTX 5070 Ti 16GB, now 15% off, priced at $850, down from $1,000. Built on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture with DLSS 4, it delivers cutting-edge graphics and cooling with triple axial tech fans, military-grade durability, and intuitive performance tuning through ASUS GPU Tweak 3 software for elite-level gaming and creative power. Our 29th deal features the Anker Power Strip Surge Protector, now 24% off, priced at $23, down from $30. It packs 12 AC outlets plus USB-C and USB-A ports for all your devices, delivers fast 20-watt charging for iPhones, includes advanced 8-point safety protection, and features a smart, spacious layout that fits even bulky plugs with ease. Our 30th deal features the Philips new 27-inch monitor, now 18% off, priced at $90, down from $110. It delivers crisp Full HD visuals with rich contrast and 16.7 million colors, a wide 178-degree viewing angle for consistent tones, a sleek bezel-free design for seamless multi-monitor setups, and an easy-read mode that makes long documents easier on the eyes. That wraps up our top 30 early Black Friday deals. Make sure to check the links in the description and grab your favorites before these offers disappear. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing deal roundups. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!